Hello everyone, I'm Sandeep. In this video, I will tell you how to make a PPT in just 2 to 3 minutes by using an AI tool. And to be honest, making the PPT is the most hectic task for me, and it consumes more time if you use WPS Office or MS Word. Now let's have a look on AI tool. For that, open any browser and search Gamma AI. Open the first website, and if you're new to this website, it asks for the sign up, so sign up with your Google account. Here you can see 3 options: create new, new from blank, and import. Click on create new. Now click on the generate tab to continue. Here you can see cards option. Cards refers to number of slides. I'm selecting 10 cards. Now here give the prompt on which topic or content you want to make the PPT. Here I am considering my mini project as an example: detection of RPX using ECG analysis. Click on generate outline. These are the table of contents on which the AI tool is going to make PPT, and you can also edit the table of contents. Here you can see amount of text per card. I have selected medium and image source as web image search. Now simply click on continue. From here it asks to select a theme. I'm selecting Nebula theme and click on generate. Now it keeps on generating the PPT and wait for some time. It's the final PPT which the AI has generated. Click on 3 dots. Now select export. From here you can export to PDF or PowerPoint. I'm exporting it to PowerPoint. And remember one thing, the PPT comes with a watermark. To remove the watermark, open the PPT in WPS or MS Word and delete it. You can also make modifications or changes in the PPT if you need any. After the changes, save it. And that's about this video, guys. See you all.
Yo, microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make it a microphone dead. Don't step to me, newbie, I could truly be moody. I could've played the fucking Grinch in the movies.